Hello everyone, Zeitro Tech here. Today I'm going to show you how to make an image into a watermark. Please note that your image must be a PNG with a transparent background, aka an alpha channel. Well, first in your viewport, you're going to click Add, go to Image, and Images as Planes. Go ahead and find your image and import it. Now you're going to go over to the shader editor, which you can switch over here, 3D viewport, the shader editor. Click on Principled BSDF, delete it. Okay, spread out your material output and your image texture. I'm going to zoom in a little so you can see it better. And now you're going to add input, go to Fresnel. Place it right next to your image texture and plug the color socket into both of the Fresnel inputs. Then you're going to add a shader, a transparent BSDF, and go ahead and connect those two together. Then add two mix shaders. And this is where it gets slightly confusing, but after doing it a few times, it gets pretty easy to remember. Okay, transparent BF goes to the top of the first mix shader and to the bottom of the second mix shader. And then your alpha channel plugs into the factor of the first mix shader. And then the color output from your image texture plugs into the bottom of the first mix shader. Then the output of the first mix shader plugs into the top input of your second mix shader. And then the output of your mix shader goes to the surface for the material output. And voila, a winner is you. And if you play with the factor in the material tab, you'll notice that you can make it completely disappear by setting it to 1. Or you can make it completely solid by setting it to 0. So set it as you like. And that is all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, please hit that little that thumbs up thingy. It's called a like button. Yeah, that's what it's called. And thank you for watching and have a great day.